Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Nestled in the beautiful Outaouais region of Quebec, Plaisance is a charming town rich in natural beauty and history. This area is perhaps best known for Parc National de Plaisance, a true paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Spread across several islands in the Ottawa River, the park offers breathtaking views and a chance to see over 250 bird species, making it a favorite spot for birdwatchers. Whether you enjoy hiking, biking, kayaking, or canoeing, the park's trails and waterways are a great way to connect with nature. Plaisance was once part of the Seigneurie de la Petite Nation, an estate established under the French seigneurial system in the 17th century. Today, you can still feel a connection to its rich heritage when exploring nearby attractions, such as the charming Chutes du Moulin or Mill Falls, a scenic and peaceful site just a short distance from the park. The town is also well placed for cyclists, offering a trail that runs from Plaisance to Thurso. The area's welcoming atmosphere and natural beauty make it a perfect spot to relax and explore. Thanks for joining us as we explore this delightful corner of Quebec.
watching.